2,000 years later.
What is going on, guys? And I know I haven't posted in like over a month now. I'm sorry, but I've been working on a brand right now, and I've been working with designers and, you know, suppliers and all that, and just trying to figure everything out for my product launch, which is going to be hopefully next week. But yeah, I'm super excited about that. I wish I could talk about it, you know, on here, but obviously I'm still selling it. What the fuck? I've been selling this product for over like 8 months now, and now I'm branding it, because I mean that will separate you from a normal drop shipping store. To brand your product and faster shipping, that will definitely put you ahead of everyone else when it comes to, you know, your competition. I definitely recommend you guys brand your stores, put your logo somewhere on the product, or maybe, you know, somewhere around the packaging, and also try to have fast shipping times. I recommend is, you know, buying that product that you know will sell in bulk and sending to a supplier here in the US, because fast shipping times are key. That's the #1 problem I've always had in the past. You know, long shipping times equals, you know, customer service is like crazy. Everyone's just kind of be like, where the heck is my product? Is this a scam? And then people will even comment on your ad saying this is a scam, don't buy, which is just kills your conversion. So I highly recommend branding that winning product that you have and just making it your own. That will be a long-term brand that you can keep, and you maybe in the future you can sell for, you know, thousands, maybe millions of dollars. You never know. So that's what I've been really focusing on right now, is this brand, because I know I can scale this to, you know, thousands and thousands of dollars, which I'm really excited about. Hope you guys are also having success when it comes to e-commerce drop shipping, because there's a ton of money to be made. It's insane. Right now is a perfect time to learn e-commerce, guys. Everyone's at home just looking on their phones, buying stuff. People are ordering more online than ever, so you really need to take advantage of that.
Do it! Just do it!
Create your store. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna head out. I got some work to do. I actually just made a Twitter. It's Ecom Poppy. I'll have it right here. You can follow me on there. All type of e-commerce talk. But yeah, guys, feel free to DM me on there, and I hope you guys have a great day. See you guys later.